Hi boys and girls, Dave here again. We've got another Mega Beast to show you tonight. We can unbox a 5-ounce silver proof together. Let's not mess around, let's get it cracked open and have a look. I think these are about a limited edition of 300. I think there's a little bit, they've minted a few more than that, but there's 300 of these up for sale. We have got this lovely leatherette box, and I prefer this to the sort of walnutty lookalike ones you get with the gold. I just think it's a nicer case. Let's get this open. A lovely 5-ounce silver proof Mega Beast. I wonder if that holds up under its own weight. The Three Graces one didn't hold up. No, does it? Is a card in the way? Oh yeah, it does. It holds. This one kind of works, but it still wants to flop down because it's quite a heavy coin. I'll get it out of this case. I'm not got a problem then. Just get that out of the way. And there we go. There she is. So it's 65mm diameter coin. It's quite a big beast for 5 ounces. Super attractive, and I can see that in a case with other Queen's Beasts. I think you could get like a case to be made and then surround it with smaller, maybe smaller 1/4 ounce gold or something like that, or the other 1 ounce silver. I think that would make a spectacular showpiece in a case. And speaking of cases, there's quite a lot of people niffed off online, other YouTubers, and I don't blame them because they've spent a lot of money making cases for Queen's Beast for 10 slots, and then the Royal Mint dropped this on us right at the end. So I know there's 1 or 2 people a little bit upset, but you can't have all the information at a time, but that's how it goes. So we've got 5 ounces of silver there, denomination of £10. I do like that, and it'd be rude not to show it next to my 5-ounce gold. And this gives you a really good visual example of the density difference between gold and silver. This is 65mm, where this is only 50. And again, obviously this one's huge. And here's a little question for you tonight. What weighs more, 5 ounces of silver or 5 ounces of gold? Yep, the answer's 5 ounces of gold. Just kidding, hear me out. This is a really weird thing with gold. When you hold these coins in your hand, even though they're identical weight, the gold to me always feels heavier because it's just so dense compared to the silver. It's just a really weird sensation. I've done this a few times today, and when you look at the gold, it always feels heavier because it's just, we're not used to handling dense materials like this. Well, I'm not anyway. I mean, density wise, gold's 19.3 grams per cubic centimetre, where this is only 10.5 or just under 10.5 in terms of density. And in terms of a house brick, here's a fun fact for a house brick. A house brick's only 1.9 grams per cubic centimetre, so gold's 10 times denser than a house brick. So it's a really weird sensation when you get gold in your hand. It's just such a dense material. So we'll put that to one side. We're looking at the silvers tonight. So this is quite a big silver coin in the Queen's Beast range. What was that? You want to go bigger tonight? We can go bigger than this. So this is a 5 ounce. Let's move in its big brother. We've got a 10 ounce. So the 10 ounce is exactly the same diameter, it's 65mm, but it's a doorstep of a coin. It's twice as thickness. In effect, it's a PA4 version of the 5 ounce. The 5 ounce is lovely. The 10s is a really big beast of a coin. That is a seriously impressive coin, that. And again, I can see that being a great showpiece somewhere. So, and I think these are I think there's about 125 of these, plus a few more at the Royal Mint. These are super nice, really nice pieces of coin. And again, it's a doorstep, that, absolutely huge, and a significant weight increase on that one. So what do you think of them two guys? Do you prefer the 10? Would you pay extra for the 10? Or would you go with a 5? Because you'd expect the 10 to be a little bit bigger diameter, but it's not exactly the same diameter at 65mm. What do you think? Anyway, we're going to get off now. Not quite. Not quite. What's that? Do you want to go bigger again? Shall we go bigger tonight? It's a Sunday night. we've got Queen's Beast, Mega Beast. Shall we end on a mega coin? Why not? So we've got a 10 ounce. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. And you know when you've got something special in your hand, when you need 2 hands to hold it. Now, folks, for the comments, it's Big Brother. We have got a 1 kilo Mega Beast, and this is just the King Kong of all coins. It's ginormous. And it looks right. Some of these 1 kilo coins can look a little bit cartoon like that, you know, too big, but this just looks even better. Yeah, this is really weight in the hands. And you can have a quick look at that, see what you think. But that is an absolute King Kong of a coin, and it looks right. And it's got a look like that. It's just gargantuan, isn't it? A denomination of £500, exactly like the 5 ounce gold. So what do you think? You've got 1 kilo, 10 ounce, and a 5 ounce. I'll leave you with that. See you again. Ta-ra.